I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your mobile legends bank app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps, come to apps is here, and here you're looking for mobile legends bank app, or just click on search. Then here add mobile legends app, it's going to show for you here like this, click on it. So then it's going to you click on it here, it's going to take you to this list, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage, come to storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store, click here on Play Store. Then you search here for Mobile Legends bank app, it's going to show for you like this. You will find here a place, click on it, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like